This creature has no jaw, no bones. It hasn't evolved in 360 million years, and right now, it's drilling a hole through a living shark from the inside. We talk about sharks, we talk about anglerfish, but nobody talks about the lamprey. Maybe because looking at one feels like staring at something that shouldn't exist. A mouth full of razor-sharp teeth arranged in perfect circles, built for one single purpose: to latch on and never let go. The lamprey is what scientists call a living fossil. Its body plan is so brutally effective that evolution basically said, yeah, we're done here. No paired fins, no jaw, no scales, just a long eel-like body and that mouth, that horrifying, unforgettable mouth. Here's how it feeds. It finds a host, a fish, a whale, sometimes even a human swimmer, locks onto the skin using pure suction and starts rasping. Its teeth grind through flesh while a chemical in its saliva prevents the blood from clotting. The host bleeds continuously. The lamprey drinks for days, sometimes weeks. What makes this even more unsettling is the intelligence behind it. Lampreys don't randomly attack. They track body heat, electrical fields, and even chemical signals in the water. They are ancient predators with a primitive but terrifyingly efficient sensory system. And here's the part most people don't know. They spend years as larvae buried in riverbeds, completely blind, filter feeding in silence. Then something triggers the transformation. They grow eyes, they grow teeth, and they go hunting. Some species travel thousands of miles upstream to breed, then die immediately after. Their entire adult life is violence, migration, and sacrifice. But researchers recently discovered something that changes everything we thought we knew. Lampreys aren't just surviving. In certain deep water environments, their population is growing. In places where most species are dying off. Scientists don't fully understand why. And honestly, that might be the scariest part of this whole story. The ocean doesn't always hide monsters with big teeth and glowing eyes. Sometimes the most terrifying thing down there is 500 million years old, the size of your arm, and it's been waiting longer than dinosaurs ever existed. Sleep well.